Today, we're going to walk through a tool that can help you learn or troubleshoot your marine product. This tool is the Marine Support Center. Marine Support Center contains all sorts of product information, ranging from common articles about how to use or troubleshoot your product, to in-depth video breakdowns on how to install your product. To get to the Garmin Marine Support Center, navigate to www.garmin.com. In the upper right-hand corner along the top bar, hover over Support. Then click on Marine Support. On the main page for Marine Support, there are quite a few different resources available to you. The first thing you will see is Common Topics and Devices. You can click on these to find more information about these topics. For example, if you click on Marine Sonar/Transducer, it will take you to a page where there are videos and articles that walk through installation and use, along with common troubleshooting topics about transducers. If you are looking for something that isn't in the list of common topics, you can also look for a topic by using a keyword search. For example, if you're looking for help performing a software update, you can type software update and hit the enter key. This will take you to a page with videos and articles that walk through updating software on a marine device. You can also filter these results for a specific product by using the product search field. Type the product you are looking for into the search box and select it from the list. Click the Apply button. This will update the search for topics relating to the specific device you are looking for. In addition to searching for a topic using the common topics or specific keyword search, there are links to other additional resources at the bottom of the Marine Support landing page. From here, you can find information on software updates, help registering a device, manuals, and a link to all Garmin Marine support videos. In addition to that information, you can also access the Garmin Active Captain Community webpage, view our marine warranty policy, and use our dealer locator tool for finding a certified installer or service location. That covers the basic features of the Garmin Marine Support Center. The Marine Support Center can be found at marinesupport.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.